Here's a muscle car to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Popular body style, 1966 Pontiac GTO, two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal GTO. 400 underneath the hood. It actually has a 1968 vintage 400 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds. There's also PHS documentation on this. I do have in the still pictures. To be able to check that out, you'll be able to see VIN plate, data plate, all that will be in the still pictures. As you can see, paint shows well on it. This is an original Montero red car. Black vinyl interior, black vinyl top. Check out the still pictures. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. See, the paint has a nice shine to it. There might be a couple little spots where maybe there's been a little touch up, just real small ones, but overall shows very well. Great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local show, riding on polished wheels. You can see up and down the side of this car. Nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Vinyl top. Also in good condition. Black vinyl interior, of course, the center console. Aftermarket stereo, aftermarket gauges, a couple underneath the dash there. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, it'll come with a full-size jack. You'll be able to see pictures of the trunk. And again, the PHS docs and the still pictures. As well as the underside of the car, the engine bay, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. Again, you can see nice reflection coming off that paint. Good shine to it. And you get a good eye on those long body panels. Did notice a little bit of imperfection. I don't even know if I can get it to show up. I'm being awful fussy. And again, it's tough for me to even get it to show up. It's a little bit right there. You can kind of see that. Again, I'm being extremely fussy, but want to point those things out for you. In case you're unable to come see it yourself, remember, open door policy for third-party inspector. Want somebody to look at this for you. You can't make it yourself. Otherwise, feel free to check with a sales consultant too when you call in or email. Door panels look good. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the undersides of the doors. As far as the seating surfaces, just a little bit of wear in this piping when going in and out. Other than that, not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Did have the wipers working, radio working, aftermarket one under the dash. Headliner good, 6x9s in the rear deck. I think we should fire this up, see how it runs. Check out how it sounds, and look at that engine bay. All right, tachometer working over here. There's the fuel gauge, also went up. Warm up. Did 400 underneath the hood, 1968 vintage 400. There's the Sony aftermarket stereo. Manifold vacuum gauge. Oil pressure, water temp. That was a cold start, as you can see. We're going to let this warm up a little bit. Top of the dash looking good. Slip so you can hear this run. Still a little cold. Might warm it up just a tad before I open that hood. Nice sounding car, no doubt about that. Just a little cold-blooded. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap this video up. Here's a look underneath the hood. We got 400 V8. Again, power steering. Once again, 1968 vintage 400. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Looks good. Won't be afraid to show this one with the hood up. Any of your shows, roll-ins. There you go, 1966 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop. Real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Pontiac GTO. This car is a good runner, a strong runner. We've got wipers that work. We have a factory tachometer that does work, speedometer works. Fuel gauge is at half. Aftermarket oil pressure and water are functioning. Let's get her up to speed. Go straight down the road. Might be one wheel with a flat spot. These cars are in storage and it could just be that. It's very slight. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, so we can do these driving videos for you. You definitely want to check this one out on our website, UniqueClassicCars.com.